Book launch schedule. Plan ahead. Likely you want to release your book with great fanfare, see it rise in the charts, reach readers, and hit the lists. So it's important to do pre-planning and work ahead of time to set yourself up to be in the best possible position on publication day. The 3 Ps of publishing. We're sharing the strategies that have worked for us in various books. We managed to carve out time to write a book, and the next stage of the process is no different. We recommend time blocking for launch prep and promo. Dedicate an hour or more a day to doing these tasks. Depending on the amount of time you have and your goals, you can modify the plan we present, but be sure to have your basics covered. I'm calling them the 3 Ps of publishing. Prepare, present, position. Prepare. We recommend starting this before the book is done, up to 3 months in advance. Or, if this is your first time publishing, you don't have a lot of free time and aren't in a rush to publish, or aren't friends with multitasking, you can get started as soon as the manuscript is complete. Step 1. Goals. Identify your goals for this particular book. These can be short-term and/or long-term. It's not enough to just wing it. When you can create clarity around what you're aiming for, you're better able to create a path forward, as well as close the space between where you are and where you want to be. Some examples are, maybe this is your first time publishing and you'll be beyond thrilled if even one person buys your book. You'll consider it a win if in the next few months your book makes back what you invested in it. You want to see your novel get an orange tag, top of its category on Amazon. Your determination is on fire. You want to crack the top 100 on Amazon and make a major list and get your bestseller letters. Step 2. Set a date. Select a release date and prepare pre-order if you're doing one. If so, you'll need to include your metadata along with pricing. See our pre-order lesson. One benefit is you'll have the share link, the URL, ahead of time to share with reviewers and for any other promo opportunities. Step 3. Cover. Consult a cover designer and commission a cover, letting them know your publication date. Many cover designers are booked well in advance, so plan ahead, purchase a pre-made cover, or find someone who can do a fantastic job along your timeline. Also, purchase paperback cover if you're creating one. Sometimes they can create other fun digital images with your cover design to use in your promo. Step 3A. Final edits. If you haven't already, be sure your book is as polished as it can be. Some tips include read the draft aloud, read the draft in print, read draft on your e-reader. After each of these stages, be sure to do a grammar check using your word processing software in case you made mistakes in your edits. Editing with your editor, final grammar check, final copy for proofer. Step 4. Front and back matter. Copyright, including attributions to cover designer, formatter, and anyone else involved in the production of your book. Dedication, quote, and acknowledgments of using. Biography. For your digital copy, link to your website, social media, newsletter, and other books. See the lesson for an in-depth look at your options. Step 5. Format the interior. It's not enough to simply write a draft in Word and then slap it on Amazon. In fact, please don't do that. There are page breaks, indents, and other details that promote a positive reading experience. So this is doubly true for our physical books. You can also see the lesson in this module for more on that. Step 6. The blurb. This is your book's description, and second to the cover is the most important factor in determining whether someone will part the pages or click on a digital copy. See the related lesson for more on this subject. Present. Maybe you've been keeping things quiet about your release, but once you have all the publishing pieces in place, now it's time to start generating some buzz for your book. Step 7. Cover reveal. Announce a cover reveal date and/or share teaser images with your followers. Tell newsletter subscribers they get it early and schedule to share it with them. Post the cover to all social media sites on the day of the reveal, along with the blurb and pre-order links, if available. There are cover reveal services. In the past, we had good luck with them. However, it depends on your genre. A good place to ask about their effectiveness is in Facebook writers groups like ours. Step 8. Arcs. Create arcs and do outreach to obtain early reviews. See the lesson for details on more. Step 9. Graphics. If your cover designer didn't create a teaser and/or sale graphics, create these using your favorite software such as Photoshop or Canva. Step 10. Tease. Tease newsletter and social media followers with the coming release date excitement, pre-order links, an exclusive excerpt, or sneak peek. Optional step. If doing any additional online promotion efforts, schedule and/or plan these. Examples include book a Blitz tour with a tour host, newsletter swaps, book promo sites, generate cool content, playlists, Dreamcast list, inspiration board, etc. Post these to your blog, website, social media once a week leading up to your release. Position. Your book is ready to go live. Now all you need to do is press publish if you haven't already. Congratulations! Your next step will be promotion, which is where position comes in. You want to position your book to get in front of as many eyes in your target audience as possible. See module Promote for more.